Hi, my name is Lindsay and this is my channel Reinventing Lindsay. I'm here today with a new wig from RPGSHOW called Dominic048. So join me as I review her. So I'm going to take Dominic048 out of her box here. She comes in a nice velvet bag and beautiful black box. And I'm going to just show you what's inside the box first. So there's another strap. It goes along the bottom of your nape there. So they send a second strap. I don't know what these are, but I'm sure we can find out. Some sort of reinforcements, it looks like. There's a wig cap, there's two in there. And there's a nice card in here. And it has information about the wig on it. And then it also comes with a storage bag for your wig, so you can put it in there when you're traveling or to keep it dust free when you're not using it. So this is Dominic048, and I did have her customized a bit to my liking. So you can see she's beautiful, long, straight wig. And it does come with the lace on. You can see that Swiss lace, it's very transparent. So before I begin my review, I am going to go cut that lace and I'll be right back. So I have the lace cut now on the front of Dominic048, and you can see like the Swiss lace is quite transparent. I don't know, it blends really well into my skin. I can't even see the line, and I'm up this close to the camera, so I don't know if you can see the line. And you can see that the knots are very well bleached. These were deep bleached knots, so like you can't see any darkness or, you know, big knots sticking out there, so that's really nice. And as I mentioned, the color of this wig is ash beige blonde with highlights. So I have sunlight coming in this front window here, and I'll just let you look at the color there. It's very well done. You can see like a lot of dimension in there. You know, there's some lighter blonde pieces there streaking through the darker blonde. And I wanted to bring you outside so you can see the color in direct sunlight. Again, this is ash beige blonde with highlights. And I'll let you take a look at that lace front again outside here. So I had this wig customized to be 16 inches long. So I'm just going to measure it here from the crown of my head. And it is a layered wig, so there's some layers that are coming. Well, that's about 17, and then the longest ones are coming down to about 23 inches, I think, here. So, I mean, you can always take this to a stylist if you want to get it trimmed a little shorter. And as I mentioned, you can get this wig customized to different lengths to suit yourself. I really like these layers in here. Very nicely done. This wig is 130% density, so we're just gonna throw it back in a ponytail here so you can see the thickness. So it's a good handful. It's a good handful, but it's not overly thick. And you could definitely do a nice ponytail with it. And you could do some messy buns or some actual nice buns. I don't really know how to do those though. And you know, you could have some of these layered pieces coming down. That would look super cute. There's so many ways that you could style this wig. You can do a half up, half down very easily. Just throw a little clip in the back there. I'll show you what that is like. So very nicely done. And I should mention also that they put some baby hairs in here and it just adds to the realism. And they also pre-plucked the hairline. So it's not, you know, a perfect straight seamless hairline, you know how a lot of wigs come. So it looks more authentic. I would say that this wig is very beginner friendly. I mean, all I did was cut the lace and it was really easy to cut. And I just put it on and it's ready to go. Like, I didn't do anything to this. I did add a little makeup to the hairline there. But like, this was just ready to go as is, just like this. The wig size that I'm wearing is a size 1, and that is for 21.5 to 22 inch circumference. My circumference is 21.75 inches, and it fits really beautifully, perfect. I have a velvet wig grip underneath, and then there is that band in there inside, built into the wig, that holds the wig nicely at the bottom of your nape so it doesn't move around. I always wear glasses, and so the ear tabs sit right above my glasses perfectly, and they don't interfere at all. So you can definitely wear glasses, you can do an ear tuck, you could wear a hat if you wanted. Looks very cute with a hat. These wigs are meant to be glueless, so you don't have to glue them down. I probably could clean the lace up here a little bit because it was pulling away from my head, but all I did was I just kind of stuck my glasses arms over top a little piece, and then the lace was holding down. But I could trim that lace back just a little bit more so it wasn't, you know, sticking out a little bit, but it actually looks pretty good like that. So I just wanted to give you a look at the inside of the cap. So this is the lace front, and you can see again that Swiss lace that just melts seamlessly into your skin. And then the cap, you can part on the left, the center, or the right, depends on where you prefer it. That's just the makeup there that I put on the other side. And there are these combs here. And what I didn't realize last time is that these combs are actually just velcroed on. So you can take them right off if you don't need them. I love that because I usually have to cut those combs out because I don't need them and they just kind of take up space. But yeah, RPGSHOW just put them on with Velcro so they come right off. That's awesome. So there's 3 combs. There's one at the back here too. And they have this band here, and this can come off. And it looks like you can also adjust it to 2 different spots there. And then there's a slider adjuster so you can make it tighter or looser. And then there is also a adjuster at the bottom of the nape so you can pull that in and make it tighter. And they do have some short hairs in here. So if you were to wear this wig up in a ponytail, you could pull those short hairs down and make your hair just look even more realistic. So this is a very nice wig cap, and it's very comfortable too. One thing I wanted to mention is how nice the hair smells. Sometimes you get wigs and they smell like chemicals and factory and stuff. This actually has a really nice soft smell, and I'm very sensitive to scents. So it's just a very, I don't know, like a soft laundry smell or something. It smells really pretty. I'm going to give you a 360 view of Dominic048. So here she is from the front. And this is my left side and the back. And my right side. So the one thing I will note is the hair isn't the softest I've ever felt. And it's not that it's super coarse or anything, but I'm just saying that it's not the softest I've ever felt. It almost feels like maybe it's a little dry or something. So I guess I will do a shampoo and a hair mask and put some argan oil in it. So that might soften it up a little bit. Could be just from traveling, but we'll see if I can do a little maintenance on her. Overall, I think this is a really great wig. I mean, the lace front is amazing. You can barely see the knots, you know, they're very, very light. No one's gonna notice them when they're up even close to you talking. The color is beautiful. I love all the little, you know, the extra band and the Velcro combs that come out. I love the density of this and the length, and that you can make so many customizations to the RPGSHOW wigs. And if you use the code Lindsay, and I'll put it below here in the caption and on screen so you can spell my name right, you can get $110 off if you purchase over $450. So that is a win right there. I just love how these wigs are so beginner friendly, and because human hair can be there's a learning curve to it, right? But to just throw this on, like this is just fresh out of the box, throw it on, it just looks like my hair. You know, this looks like this could be my hair for real. So I love it. I hope you enjoy it too. And I can't wait to see you next time.